Hi, my name is Jess Geiser. The agency I would have been completing my field placement at was a school-based type of program that worked with kids with behavioral disorders in the school in real time. So when the kids have issues, we were able to go to the classrooms and help them through that or pull them out and work with them immediately. Due to some medical problems that I am currently having, the school helped me out and they were able to make some changes so that I was able to do my field placement next semester. So that's kind of takes me to the next question of what prompted me to take medical social work as an elective, as it was the only elective left this late in the summer. So here I am with medical social work. I do feel that it is going to help me more in the long run. As I was looking through what population to work with, I did notice there was one for an oncology social work, and recently being diagnosed with cancer, I really thought about doing that one, but I chose not to, as to kind of take a break from real life a little bit and do more in what I want to be doing long term, which is working with children and adolescents. So I went with the adolescent and child medical problems, medical issues. So I'm really hoping to get a lot of information with this course so that I can work with the kids, on my behavioral caseload, in addition to having their, a dual diagnosis with a medical issue. So I'm really excited about this course, as well as, very happy with Widener's faculty and staff with helping me with my my medical problems with this semester. So I'm hoping to get to know everybody, and can't wait for this semester to really get rolling. Thanks.